Before I show you anything, if you are running Google Ads for your local service business and you are not getting consistent calls or qualified leads, then just stop the scrolling, because this client is in the exact same situation where you are right now. They were spending money, getting clicks, and getting zero results, returns of investment. And I am Sheikh Sujib. I manage Google Ads and SEO for local service business like pressure washing business, cleaning business, roofing business, law firm business, this type of all kind of local service business. I help them to grow through Google's paid ads and organic SEO, which means search engine optimization. So today I will break down a home care business Google Ads case study that I am managing for over the last 6 months, and I will explain before I take the project what was their situation and what I implement, and right now what they are getting. They are getting calls or they are wasting just money. Okay, so let's start the real life case studies for this home care business. This home care business is based in New Jersey. Okay, so now I am going to this home care business website. Okay, so here you can see this home care business serves personalized care with helping hand at home, personal care service, and home and housekeeping care. There you can see home helper service, the dusting, kitchen cleaning, trash removal, bright room cleaning, making beds. This business is basically focusing on the elder people or the people who is not fit. They need support for their daily life and their maintenance. So this business is home care business, and yeah, when it come to my, I get this job with my Fiverr account, and when I get this job, before I start the projects, I will now see you what they are doing, get results on the Google Ads. So if I go to the Google Ads account dashboard, then you can see that this is the Google Ads. So first I am seeing you before I take the project, how much they are spending and how was the results. So if I get the all-time results and just I include when I take the project, I take the project in June 25. So I take the project on June 2025. Okay, so that's why I exclude my period and I just showing is the all-time results. They are getting the results from this Google Ads. So here you can see the all time the Google Ads spend. They spend almost 73K US dollar. Can you imagine? This is a big home care agency, is based on New Jersey, and they spend 73K USD dollar on this Google Ads account. And against it, if you see the return of from this Google Ads account, they get just 263 phone call leads. Okay. By spending almost 73K, they just get 263 phone call leads. I am seeing the result. I take the project over the last 5 months, and if I show you the current situation of this home care business Google Ads result, then I am just customize the date. I take the project on June 2025, and right now it's December 4, right? Okay, so I just apply the date. This is June, July, and this is 6 months results. So here you can see the result of mine. I am spending only 8K and I achieved 416 phone call leads. It means 19.74 cost per conversion. So if you compare the results, before I take the project, they spent 73K and just got 216 phone call leads for their home care business. And after I take the project in just 5 months, I spent only 8K USD dollar and achieved almost double of them. But they spent 73K, get 216 phone call leads, and I just spent 8K USD dollar and get double the result of them. So that's amazing. And you know, home care business, if they get a booked service, how they will search for a service, right? So here you can see, now I will show you how was the starting process for setting up this campaign. So if I go to the analysis part of this campaign, so here you can see, before start the campaign, I research about their business, their services, their target locations, and after that I also focus on their competitors of business, and I have also analyzed their competitors ads. I deeply audit what their keywords and what the keywords they are against ranking in the first on the Google, and what their description, all kind of things I analyze before I write all the analysis steps for this home care business. And after that, I deeply analyze all the part. I make a sheet for a structure of the Google Ads campaign. What will be my keywords, what will be my description, and what will be the headlines. So I prepare this sheet for campaign running. So here you can see, this is the keywords I ready for this home care business. So after that, there you can see also the headlines, and all the headlines are used in the campaign level. Here you can see the description. So this will be the description headlines will be relevant to you using keywords in the Google Ads campaign. So people, when someone searches keywords, your ads will rank on the top because you also use keywords in your description or headlines. Okay, then I also make the targeted locations. After that, all the asset. So when I prepare a perfect optimized Google ads, then I need to add all the assets extension like site link extension, call extension, image extension, and call out extension, all the extension. So I also prepare these assets, call extension, side links, and when someone click on the side links, where they will go, which landing page they will land or visit. So I just analyze and make all the structure before launch the campaign. There you can see, and after that I just go to the Google Ads campaign, and I just create the campaign very carefully. And here you can see the results. They spent 73K before I take the project, and just got only 216 phone call leads. And after I take the project, I got 416 phone call leads and just spent 8.2K USD dollar. So you're clear now that how can I help the business, local service business or home care business, this type of business. So how can I help you to grow your business by Google searches? So if your ads are not producing result like this, it's not your fault. You just don't have the right system yet. If you want me to audit your Google Ads account, build a complete system to get you consistent calls and leads every single day, I'll just connect with me. Here you can see my Fiverr account, my website. So just connect with me. I will check your account for free and show exactly what's stopping your leads. I don't help business get clicks. I help them get customers. And if you are serious about growing your service business, I can definitely help you too. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Thank you so much.